welcome to our very first video. Today we're going to be reading I Want My Hat Back. The author is John Clayson. Does anybody remember what's an author? That's right. An author is the person who writes the words. Now, I don't see an illustrator on here, so that means that John must also be the illustrator. Does anybody remember what an illustrator does? That's right. He's the one that draws the pictures. Now let's see. I want my hat back. Have you seen my hat? Well, no, I haven't seen your hat. Okay, thanks anyway. Have you seen my hat? Well, no, I haven't seen any hats anywhere. Thanks anyway. Have you seen my hat? No, why are you asking me? I haven't seen it. I haven't seen any hats anywhere. I would never steal a hat. Don't ask me any more questions. Okay, thanks anyway. Have you seen my hat? Well, no, I haven't seen anything all day. I've been trying to climb this rock. Would you like me to help you get on top of the rock? Why, yes, I would. Have you seen my hat? I saw a hat once. It was blue and round. My hat doesn't look like that, but thanks anyway. Have you seen my hat? What's a hat? Thanks anyway. Nobody has seen my hat. What if I never see it again? What if nobody ever finds it? My poor hat. I miss it so much. What's the matter? I've lost my hat and nobody knows where it is. Well, what does your hat look like? Well, it's red and it's pointy and I have seen my hat. So he runs and runs and runs and runs. You stole my hat. I love my hat. I wonder what happened to the rabbit. What do you guys think? Let's find out. Excuse me, have you seen a rabbit wearing a hat? No, why are you asking me? I haven't seen him. I haven't seen any rabbits anywhere. I would not eat a rabbit. Don't ask me any more questions. Okay, thanks anyway. Uh-oh. Do you think the bear ate the rabbit? I love my hat. He really loved his hat. And you know what? I really like wearing hats too. I like big hats and little hats and funny hats and serious hats. Do you guys like wearing hats? I want you guys to take a picture in your funniest hat and send it to us in Class Dojo. And if you check out our videos in my YouTube channel, the very next one is going to be a crafting video where we learn how to make our very own hats. See you when you're older.